Sodor Day was coming to the island of Sodor. Thomas and James were very excited. There would be picnics all over the island. A magnificent brass band, and the biggest carnival Sodor had ever seen. All the engines were busy, and everyone was excited. Sodor Day was the island's grandest celebration. Thomas and James were racing to the wharf. Whoever arrived first would be given a special. "I'm going to win," tooted Thomas. "No, I will," whistled James. And on they raced, faster than the wind, and more daring than darting arrows.